Welcome back, guys. We're back on the Subaru. That Kia Forte is done and gone. Well, it's not gone, but it's finished. So I've test fitted the hood on the Subaru. Gaps are pretty good, so that tells me that it was not shoved over. Got my rad support donor here. I've went ahead and cut it off. Drilled out the spot welds. Cut it with a sawzall. And then there we go. So then we're gonna put that black piece that I just showed you in here. I did tell you before that I was gonna cut it here. I can't. Looking at the donor, this is kinked. So I now need to cut it here. Right in there where that circle is. I'm gonna cut it across here. Then I will install that piece in there. So I'll do that next. Drill bit, cutting tool, rivets. You hear that? Now, not attached. Something like that. Okay, so I've got the hood on, got the headlight on, got the fender on. Gaps are pretty good. I gotta fix the bottom, but that's easy. Got this piece bolted in. Just temporarily, just to get the fitment. Once the fitment's correct, I'll have it welded in, or I'll weld it in. Hood closes good. Next step is to open up the bumper and get the bumper on, maybe even the grill, because you got to check the fitment before you paint, or else you're looking for trouble later messing with stuff. So yeah, that's where we're at. So we'll put the bumper and the grills on, and we'll get back. There we go. All the fitment's done. Hood's on, bumper's on, grill. There's still a grill surround, but I don't need that for the fitment. Check the gaps here, they're good. Check the gaps here, they're also good. There's a bit of movement still, but I need to put the plastic push pins in. This is weird. Oh no, that's the way it's made. And then these they're snapped in. This has a bolt, pulls it up nice and tight. These gaps. And then on this side, gaps are good. This thing is not good because I'm missing the plastic part that this snaps onto. That's why the vice grips are holding it. But I need to order that plastic piece. There's also another plastic snap under here, which I don't have. But it's enough to get started to disassemble, weld, and paint. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back on the Subaru Forester. Last video was showing the fitment of all the panels. Just now today I welded in this piece solid. So basically 2 spot welds here, one that I got to finish there, another one here, another one here, here, and then along here, and then along the inside. And that's pretty much it for the welding. Now what I'll do is take the hood off, and just start sanding, and I'll prime all the areas that I repaired, and then base the bottom of the hood, jam the fender on the inside of the fenders, all in here, and then put them back on the car for the final paint coat. Okay, I've got it all primered up. All the body work that needs to be done. All that's left now is to take all this junk out, plastic it off properly, and spray on the white. Okay, so we've laid down 2 coats of white base and 3 coats of pearl. And there we go. I'm spraying this stuff at 21.5 psi at the gun for the base coat, and then your clear coat 27.5, 28 psi. So that's all blended halfway and down to here to match the bumper. Over here, fully painted. Base comes up to here, first coat. Base comes to here, second coat. I pearled all the way to about here to get a good match, and then I'm going to clear this in a few minutes. There you go. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is for the Subaru Forester. There's the old Mustang. Not driving it too much, but might take it out tomorrow. So here's the Subaru, all done. So that was the one with the rear bumper. Pretty good match on the blending on the tri-coat. It's wet, I just washed it. And then there's the side. And then I blended this fender, if you remember. Painted the whole front bumper. Painted a new hood. Blended this door. Painted this fender. Can't even tell the difference whatsoever of the pearl. I brought the pearl to paint to here, and pearl to here. 2 coats of base, 3 coats of pearl. Came out great. And stay tuned for the next one. I do have the I think 17 Focus in the garage, and I have the 14 Expedition Max that'll be doing this week. If you like my videos, subscribe. If not, don't. If you have comments, leave them down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.